A US unmanned Global Hawk flies over the Black Sea to monitor the war in Ukraine. It is already night, 19:02 local time, on March 23, 2022. The RQ-4A Global Hawk is made by Northrop Grumman. It took off from Sicily, Italy, and now it flies at 317 knots at 53,000 feet above the middle of the Black Sea. As can be seen, no civilian airplane is flying over Ukraine or in all Russia airspace southwest of Moscow. We can see another airplane flying over the Black Sea eastward from Sochi. Let's find out where it came from. This red-wing airplane took off from Moscow. Its destination is not given. It flies at 36,000 feet at 452 knots. It says that it is Sukhoi Superjet 100-95B. The Sukhoi Superjet flies 16,000 feet under the Global Hawk, which by now flies northwest. Let's search who else is flying close west of the war zone in Ukraine. There is a Boeing KC-135R. It flies back and forth north of Bucharest in Romania at 25,000 feet and at 338 knots. It took off from Germany. A McDonnell Douglas KC-10A, which took off from UK, is flying back and forth south of Warsaw, Poland, at 25,000 feet and at 418 knots. Thanks to Flight Radar 24 website, everyone can watch live air traffic these days. Thank you.